So today we're doing the reels and digital soundboard from my Maygay diamonds and rubies. I did the capacitor already on this one. This is 1 microfarad, 100 volts. I don't think the original was 100 volts, but that's what I had. So we're gonna be replacing this guy. It's a 5-volt voltage regulator, because these are getting boiling hot, and they are fed by this voltage regulator as far as I can see. So that's why, just to make sure, I replace it. And this is the L7805CV, and the original is the same. So let's get started. Warm up the old soldering iron. There's no paste in between this one. Funny. Okay. Let's get it out of there. I hope the view of the board is a little bit better than my previous video. I changed the camera to a different angle. Didn't like how it was before. Oops. There we go, it's out. I'll remove my excess. Clean it a little bit. That's fine. Let's use this as a guide so I know at least it's in the correct position. Probably something like that. Yep. Let's put a little bit of thermal paste in there, just in case. Don't think it needs it, but it's non-conductive, so it doesn't really matter if it comes into contact with the regulator. also got an error while starting up the machine saying it was not seeing the reels. This probably has to do something with this, hopefully. Okay. Just put some flux just in case. I want it to go all the way through. I don't always do that, but in this case I want to make sure it's flowing. Yeah, that will do nicely. Okay. Hopefully this will fix it. I think in the next video we can put everything back together in the machine and see if it starts.